kango joka ka otu ka mu a na ya ba be joka osi ma yedi men kasa. And people will queue and vote for such person. Ghanaians, Mama, me say, I'm not saying that MPP are angels. Take this and take it. MPP is bad. NDC is worst. In the absence of good, bad is okay. Me insist to be MPP is bad. Yes, but NDC is worst. But listen to this old adage. In the absence of good, bad is okay. They didn't say worse or worst. Bad is okay. I'm not saying say MPP for you above war. But if you compare and contrast, you see say NDC are a bunch of criminals who come to enrich themselves through politics. That is why somebody like Okujeto, when you do maybe ada and Okujeto owns companies or workers, or near Jumada, just politics. And this party wants to come back. Hell no. You've been in opposition for close to 7 years. Won't me my message, but I could say, yeba we ni. Just a simple message. And in fact, Spio Garbrah said, NDC, angry his own political party, a comrade of the party, Spio Garbrah, was it NDC, angry Why? Because was it from 2012 they had no message, 2016 no message, 2020 no message, and to date they have no message. And to Onoankasa Sheda Frere, Onoankasa Frere, NDC top communicators no be so almost say 2016 your message the call was it somebody shamelessly and you say shh 2016 message the only call election was it an NDC communicator looked him in the eyes and yes a message was shh, and indeed their leader was doing shh and the no right from also kunyaso ye to abama ne lusu 2012 2016 abano now when him say obeba even before or yeah na been say was sorry kwati say wa re or friend Ghana armed forces ethical secretary we have nothing to do with the civilians. Go, ours is to protect them. If you have lost, you have lost. Get down. Or your cocoa hands waiting for more. Yes, I'm going to see that. Look, Mamicho, look at the sharp a year is here before Charlotte say, Ebe Kase, Abano, John Dramani Muhammad Lusu. In about 10 minutes, Charlotte Ebe Kase say, Aka 7 regions, enti Ogusoji. Ora demo by less than 5 minutes, no abe declared. Now Omahu. And in fact, Amadou Sule was doing his job very well. Said they were a bit me as a Sandy. And that is what Charlotte said. Because Charlotte said, in other jurisdictions, a Krobia Mraya, Juma Ken, Papa, Charlotte said, and so called them. Because statement to be making, it was a recipe for chaos and disorder in the country. You will be catching I say, Amadou Sule critique constituencies are now. Anyhow, Eddie vote for the Hobe Carbano. Amadou Sule, as we know him, or NDC, and this will critique constituencies anyhow, Eddie vote Breya or the Breya. Because when it looks like a duck, and it walks like a duck, and it quacks, then we have no option than to call it a duck. It is a duck. And the Naka Charlotte said, yes, what called them. The more bro, and I yeah, no cry, I can't say sorry for one can say sorry, one was sorry about one. Because when you say we do a no one some fatas what now. And ye de echo. Indeed, on penny that I know him so beba. Now, this is the manner the most can say fortunate politician in Ghana. Obi no bit in the to John Dramani in terms of politics in Ghana. Ufra assemblyman, Wababe DC, Wababe MP, deputy minister, vice president, president. political position be a what Ghana be to the peak papa you wedi me bubu we nyina na nka ye ahwe ne contribution towards the country's development kwa akoba bi ono we assemblyman ubenya zero. All you can get from this records is corruption. He has nothing good to offer the country than corruption. Nka assemblyman, yes, we are assemblyman, we den kan me anka say yiminua akwesi Garbrah, obeya assemblyman frante, one de kan ya ba frante. Enti ye bebo ni din ato so aka asem. John Dramani Mahama, Bole Bamboy assemblyman. Mumisa ni se koko kra no, otimi bi shop mo bi so obi nkoton koko efun obeye MP bojo obeye minister efun deputy minister omunyo vice president kojo to president and the crowd here penfosi bobo. Now what be di wunfie na area na me ba be bo audio bi a kire maybe ese me bo audio ni kire wan sana yakoso enti moma yenti audio no na yenti ni pa asema Omampanyi Dada John Dramani Mahama Ekai. Mumienti audio mumienti.
At the launch of his presidential bid, listen.
Will reduce significantly the size of government. And as announced in
Yebefano bako. Or say we will reduce significantly the size of government. Me pacho John Dramani Mahama kasia mpanifo se amfo netwani kire ne nto aso. De wo ye enra no eno ne yehwe se wo hye ye boss ne obetima ye bibia. Ye betima agina so akasa mpa. Esa se mpanifo se de wakwa agyanan so akoto se kokosechi esisu utonko no ye ba ne be ka chen se kokosechi to agyanan ma ondi achinye ena de owe kokoto ewe na bona no so ka so obewe kora ye ndi no achinye endi time na wo ye president no na Ghana e wo 10 regions which under the constitution every region must have its minister. If not deputy crown or minister, the regional minister there, who is in charge of security in that region, representing the president there, you must have. And the time and how John Dramani Mahama, who govern over 10 regions, now ministers here 88. And the regions, I increase it to 16. Also better so. Over fine what is so. Why? Over then what is one? Talk is cheap. Now I always say this man no on one kasa de and can make jan. Now my catch and to nufu pass e bought trophy clock papa bi no ma petition be tunufu. Ma untie no on fa na nwen so on one obeti. Papa bi no ma petition 12 ko no na a petition ni ye adwuma. On e tunufu. Nti mu untie you should not give an ear to that person. But we are dear this man is adamant. Over course one way obey. No quakuti, no about the castle. As some is overcan. Oh, or you'll be or casana say who be comment to one. You have to discipline yourself. And yes, I will not be pat. I'm telling you. Yeah, tia me tehano. May trade it cautiously say my non copentiano. No matter what, he's been former president. My former, not just former, my former president. What does it? Ndi obey or a national asset. Onu ne ehu ne ho saa. Onu na ehu ne ho saa. Say ye call independence day we say won call. Because of mine no come dey. Wo be di ade na we di independence day ye bas branding. Na satam Ghana nyina di amen. Ndi so kasa na wo be ma comment wo ho a. Wan hwe a wo be wo kra wa no no akopa. Ndi I'm treading cautiously there. Because we talk against the DNA password. We believe strongly say you can share your view without any insult or offensive words. Until we have to do that. In fact, where it is necessary, we will give it to you. But I don't think it will be right for me to sit here, as young as I am, with respect to the former president. Now, I know it wouldn't speak good of me and of this page. Until we will write that one off. But in the kasa or kasa, yeah, so be commented on without using harsh words. But I'll try because sebi nipani shiano mo woman yet 10 years.